Hey YouTube, today this is a Wesco, I think it's 1999, let's have a look, 1999-2000 chicken one alarm clock. It's a digital one, as you can see here, and it has one of the guard dogs from the film and Ginger the chicken. And what happens is, when the alarm goes off, she actually comes up and has a saying from the movie. So I'll do a few sayings and see what happens. Here we go.
Well, today's the day, girls. We're going to fly. Well, today's the day, girls. We're going to fly. Well, today's the day, girls. We're going to fly.
So yeah, that's that. Another one.
We've got to get out of here. We've got to get out of here. We've got to get out of here. Where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. And that's what we want, freedom. And that's what we want, freedom. And that's what we want, freedom. Let's face it, the only way out of here, wrapped in pastry. Let's face it, the only way out of here, wrapped in pastry. Let's face it, the only way out of here, wrapped in pastry. Well, today's the day, girls. We're going to fly.
That's the same one as the last one.
Well, today's the day, girls. We're going to fly. Well, today's the day, girls. We're going to fly.
So yeah, it looks like she's been caught. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that is the 1999-2000 Wesco chicken one digital alarm clock with Ginger trying to escape. Thanks for watching YouTube. Bye. Bye. Bye.